Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we would like to know how exactly many devices are logging into our Google account. So right now, example like on your old phones that public library or computer you used a year ago, on every device's login is an open door to your Gmail. Example like your photos, your YouTube history and your entire digital life. So today we are going to talk about the Google account device security. Okay friends, so let's start the video, and while starting the video do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, at first you have to move on Google app. Here you can see you have to click on the profile picture in the top right corner. Next you have to click on here manage your Google account. Okay, click on this button. Next as you can see there is the security. Okay, so you have to click on this security and sign in. And about the security, it's just a dashboard. It's a great place to check your password manager and two-step verifications, but for our mission today we are scrolling down. Okay, and we will find our devices and click manage all devices. Okay, example like I'm just scrolling and I found out this device, so you have to click on this device. So here friends, you can see this is the master list. Take what you see here is a complete history of devices that are currently signed in to your Google account or have been in the last 28 days. As you can see, the name of the devices, Realme, in which time this mobile phone has been signed in. Okay, example like I just tap on it and this is the Realme that, and you can even check the location, you can play sound, even you can reset the device. If you want to log out, then you can just tap on factory reset and it will be log out. Okay, and this is the another device, and if you want to remove, you can just click on the devices. You will see the option sign out. Don't hesitate to click it if you want to remove it. Okay, suppose I want to remove this mobile phone from my list, then you can remove it. And there is even this sign out your phone. Okay, you can sign out through these steps. And after signing out, when Google will ask you to confirm, you have to confirm. The device is instantly log out. When you confirm, no, that it will be log out of your Google account. It won't have access to your Gmail, your Drive or any other Google services until someone logs in again with your password. Without password, they can't log in into your device. And from my side, if you have signed out of any devices that was unfamiliar, you need to go directly to your password section and change your Google password immediately. This is the only way to ensure they can't simply log in back in your Gmail account. So friends, if this video helped you more secure, please hit that like button, subscribe for more digital security tips, and share this with a friend or family members who might have 10 devices they have forgotten about. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.